Hello friends, welcome to Abhyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to work with files, which one is better. So we have two types of opening the file and reading and writing. So we'll see which is the better and why. Okay. So first let us take one file. Okay. F equal to open test1.txt. Okay. Let's write something. Okay. We opened a file test1.txt for writing. Okay. So this is one method f dot write. Let's say I'm writing Python training. Okay. Then I'm leaving like this. Okay. Then I will use one more method. Okay. With open text1.txt for writing. Let's say reading. Okay. For reading as f1. Okay. f1 dot read. Okay. f1 dot read. Let's read whatever is there inside the file. Okay. Then we will print that. Okay. This is one more method of reading the file or writing into the file. Okay. So we have test one, right? So we are writing Python training, but we are not closing the file here. Again, we are opening the same file and reading that, right? So let's say I will comment out this. I will run this file and let's see whether test one is having the Python training or not. Okay, let's run this. Okay, script paused. Then go to the folder and see the test one. Yeah, Python training is there, right? But I am not closed the file here. I am reading the data from the test one and printing. Let's see what it prints. It is printing nothing. Okay, guys, because we are not close the file above. Okay, we have to close the file here. Then you are reading data from that file. Then we'll get the output like this Python training. Okay, so sometimes whenever you are using this format, you forget to close the file. So always remember that use this format. Then no need to close the file. Okay, for example, I will use same format here. Instead of f equal to open and f dot write, I will use this format for writing. Okay, let's say f dot write. Okay, Python training. Okay, then no need to close the file here. It will automatically get closed. Then you can read data from that file. Let's see the output. Yeah, we got Python training. Okay, guys. So always you go with this format of reading and writing files instead of the other format, because in other format you have to close the file, but in this format no need to close the file. You can again read data from that file. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorial for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.